Hello everyone, as you can see I'm in a new game now, Resident Evil 4. I already played this game. I was planning to record it, but I already beat the game. So we're doing a new game. Well, not really a new game. I'm doing a new game plus. I'm gonna do Chicago Typewriter and Matilda only. Actually, no. We'll do that. Screw that. Screw the Matilda. Killer 7 and the Chicago Typewriter. The Matilda. Okay, no, we'll have the Matilda. Costume. I don't want Ashley to die. The only concern I really have.
I'll never forget it. It was the year when those grisly murders occurred in the Arklay Mountains. Soon after, the news was out to the whole world, revealing that it was the fault of a secret viral experiment conducted by the international pharmaceutical enterprise, Umbrella. The virus broke out in a nearby mountain community, Raccoon City, and hit the peaceful little town with a devastating blow crippling its very foundation. Not taking any chances, the President of the United States ordered a contingency plan to sterilize Raccoon City. With the whole affair gone public, the United States government issued an indefinite suspension of business decree to Umbrella. Soon its stock prices crashed, and for all intents and purposes, Umbrella was finished.
Yep. Apparently they are. It is. Well, yeah, it is. Apparently.
6 years have passed since that horrendous incident.
Got some rare things on sale,
Wait.
stranger.
You seem familiar, stranger. Can I interest you in some specialized weaponry? I just got this rocket launcher that doesn't run out of ammunition. I also acquired a burst-firing handgun I named her the Matilda.
What are you buying?
What are you buying?
What are you buying?
Like I said, we're not. We say, screw this. Oh, frick, this is the upgrade thing. This one is a no-go. These two, no-go as well. I'm gonna buy the Matilda.
What are you selling?
This little bad sound the shotgun.
Thank you.
Is that 2 mil? No, that's not. Is it?
What are you buying?
Probably not. This would be highlighted then, right? Yeah, that would be highlighted. Okay, my job is just to get 1 million. I think I'm at 200. 200,000. I need to get to 1 million for the Chicago Typewriter.
An awesome choice, stranger. It's got a 3-round rapid-fire capability, although it uses up ammo rather quickly.
What the
Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome.
What are you buying?
I'm getting that Chicago Typewriter, though. Other than that, all of this is good. Now we're good to go.
I received special training via a secret organization working under the direct control of the president. I was to assume the responsibility of protecting the new president's family.
Cornel, why am I the one who always gets the short end of the stick?
You, who are you really? Come on and tell us. You are a long way from home, cowboy.
I'm a mafia boy.
Sympathies.
Guess that's a local's way of breaking the ice. Anyway, you know what this is all about. My assignment is to search for the president's missing daughter.
What? All by yourself?
I'm sure you boys didn't just tag along so we could sing Kumbaya together at some Boy Scout bonfire. Then again, maybe you did.
Oh, you crazy American. It's a direct order from the chief himself. I tell you, it's no picnic.
I'm counting on you guys.
You know what? I feel like I should have just started a new game. But you know what I say?
It was right
I say
before
no.
I was to take on my duties of protecting the president's daughter when she was abducted. That's the ultimate reason I'm in this lonely and rural part of Europe. According to our intelligence, there's reliable information about a sighting of a girl that looks very similar to the president's daughter. Apparently, she's being withheld by some unidentified group of people. Who would have thought that my first job would have been a rescue mission?
Who thought? When your first job was a police officer, your second job
It's
is
freezing.
rescuing
So
the
cold,
president's
Alazare.
daughter. I should not act like I don't know her name. I'll be like,
Must be my
role-play
imagination.
moments. It'd be like your real Leon be like,
Sorry it took so long.
wait, Leon already knows the president's daughter's name, so what the fuck am I talking about? Leon be like, anyways, the president's daughter is here. Oh, there's Ashley and stuff like that. Alrighty.
Just up ahead is the village.
Already?
I'll go and have a look around.
We'll stay and watch the car. Don't want to get any parking tickets.
Right. Parking tickets.
Good luck.
Alright, good luck.
Jeez. Who are these guys?
I
Did you
agree,
say
man.
something?
Leon, I hope you can hear me. I'm Ingrid Hunnigan. I'll
Oh
be
my
your support
gosh.
on this mission.
Loud and clear.
Alright.
So the subject's name's Ashley Graham, right?
That's right. She's the daughter
See?
of the president. So try to behave yourself, okay?
Whoever this group is, they sure picked the wrong girl to kidnap.
I'll try to find some
Seriously.
more information on my end as well.
Good. Talk to you later. Leon out.
Leon Scott Kennedy's out. This gun looks freaking cool. Except I'm not wasting all my magma ammo already. Need these coins? There's freaking snakes in this game, and I freaking hate snakes. So you know what I did? I had to run for my damn life after I murdered every single one. I'm holding the Killer
excuse
7
me.
or something like that.
Sir? I was wondering if you might recognize the girl in this photograph.
¿Qué carajo estás haciendo aquí? ¡Lárgate, cabrón!
Hey!
Sorry to have bothered you.
Jeez!
Freeze!
The Killer 7.
I said freeze!
Not for the... Like, for the heck of it, I should have kept the Killer 7 and banged the head. Ricardo? Oh, frick.
Shit.
Exactly, Leon. I'm clicking the button!
Is everything okay?
There was a hostile local. I had no choice but to neutralize it. There are still
yeah,
others surrounding the area.
Get out of there and head toward the village. Take whatever measures necessary to save the subject.
Understood.
I will be collecting weapons, but I'm gonna sell them instantly to the merchant. I'm on this. Give me one moment. Give me one more. There you go. Now I can actually move around since I have my headset plugged in. Woohoo! I don't even know what mode this is on. Alright, that was simple enough. Ooh, switchblade. Yes! Frick, yeah! I actually started this without recording, and I opened that, nothing was in there. Oh, frick, no. I'm doing it the wrong way, this way. New save file right here. They just call it that. Yep. Love thing. I love this. Yeah. Stop. I was trying to hold it. I was trying to press it. It's hard enough. Try to. Grenade. Oh my God, the doggy. 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 Frick. Doggy. Yeah. I help you, doggy. I just heard a wolf. I was walking carelessly one time. Ooh, fun fact, I think some of you guys might know this. Red herb. Don't I have herb? Yes, I do. Yeah. Got him. Stop. Holy cow. I guess no one's safe here. I better find her fast. Ow! Frick, my lamp. What you freaking call me, man? Combat. Freaking using it. You get up, you're dead. Drop nothing, drop handgun, awesome. Switch back. I will grab other ammo to sell it too. It's probably where I'm at. Yeah, it was. So I think it was. Positively it was. Who knows? The Pablo, I think it's said.
Leon, how you holding up?
Bad question, Hunnigan.
Sorry to hear that. I'm sending you a playing manual. Hope you find it useful.
What?
I'll take a look at it, thanks.
A play manual? I left the tutorials on. I don't know why I did. Yeah, I tell you all of this, but I don't need to go. I don't need to go to this. I already looked at everything. And you'll learn it while I'm doing it. Ricardo! No! They will pay. They did to Ricardo. They might be friendly though. Hey, are you friendly? Oh, you're clearly not. You pull out a weapon and try to kill me. Since I know how to trigger everything. Oh, you son of a... Get off me. I'm gonna go go get the second scene started.
No dejes que se escape. Vayan por detrás.
Why are these people?
You see how he rocks though?
Bloqueale el paso.
What are they planning? Crap. Chainsaw. Shit.
Crap.
Son of
Leon, we all know we have... Get the fuck off! Woohoo! Yes! And we're not gonna run around and waste ammo. I'm gonna stay up here. And nothing bad can happen to me. Because they can't climb the ladder. And plus, if they do all come over here, playtime. Ooh, shotgun shells. I think I still have the shotgun equipped overhead. Ooh. I can't de-equip it. So I'll just stay like that. Real fast. Do. How about I drop that down for him? How does that feel? Oh, frick! Where's this guy? You? That freaking hurt? I'm finding this guy though. Where is he? No, it's just running by itself. And all that. Not screw it, because if that's not working, then I'm just gonna have damn life. How come? Who knows? I've been to this place, like the mercenaries, so I know the best way out. And actually, the best way out is stay right here and no one can get you. Oh, frick! Never mind. You guys are smarter. Oh! Frick, I did not mean to jump down. No, you stay. Stay, you fucking will. No! Ow, what the frickin'? Frick! Gustas! Nano! Dude, I'll warn you! I said I warned you! Okay, I should not be wasting bullets though. Dude, don't try. Don't try, man. Don't try it. If you're trying to get out, fucking bang your head. I told you that last time. Don't try it. I'm trying to outrun these guys, and I'm surprised it's actually working. Hey, guys. Yeah, watch. Mother frickin' now! Yeet! Andre, frick off!
Te voy a hacer picadillo.
You're all staying down there. This is a long progress, and after this I've got to do a long looting. You stay the frick down, you stubborn frick woman. I'm not trying to be rude. Even though that sounded rude. Get the frick off. Like, these four people, you mother frickin'. I'm gonna fucking knock you guys down. Hi. These guys are still going at it, I think. They're freaking
Te
on
voy a
too.
hacer picadillo.
50? They're like being annoying. Dude, good job for calling your friend like. Thank God!
La campana. Es hora de rezar. Tenemos que irnos. Lord Sadler.
Lord Sadler. Sadler. What is he?
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Maybe, Leon, who knows? Who knows, except for me. And maybe other freaking people that played the game. Oh, I was doing tricks! Whatever your
Hunnigan,
name was.
I have some bad news. I've confirmed the body of an officer. Something's happened to the people here.
Leon, you need to get out of there. Look for a tower and follow the trail near it.
Got it.
Map! Okay. Anyways, before I do that, I gotta go loot everything. Alrighty. I'm gonna conserve ammo with the Matilda and the Killer 7. What is this, spawner? How did I know? Because I actually never really loot goodly actually here. I would. I couldn't. What in there? Panicking because I'm afraid there's gonna be snakes. Freaking hate snakes, man. Shut the frick up! I'm sorry, but you're breathing too intensely. Stop it, Dad! You stop it. You're a good cow. Shut the frick up, though. Anyways. I'm surprised in the mercenaries there's a window here. Why did they do that? They changed the layout to this a lot more. This is how a land's supposed to be walking. That's only push. Yay! Shotgun shells I'm gonna sell. Alright, I'm done looting because I've looted every house that's available except for that. Hot! Man, that scares me. First try, golden egg. Inventory. Huh. Oh my god, the ticking. Ooh. Order. I'm positive I think. Screw that, I'm not looking through. Fricky. Yeah. Yay, to the farm. I didn't get all the blue medallions last time. Get all the blue medallions this time. Go, man. Okay, these fucking cows, shut up! Can I stop? Can I grab you? Thank you. I'm also allowing the knife. All get mad in the comments saying I failed. Well, that's your opinion, you mother apple. What's this? 15 blue medallions, 7 in the farm, 8 in the sanctuary. For who of you destroy 10 or more will be rewarded. The rest is ignorable. That helps me a lot because I think I only broke 3. Well, trying to find like almost 18 more. So never again. Stop. You scared me. Stop. Music is unsettling. Why did I freaking shoot 30 bullets? Freaking sound alike. Y'all know I have to save randomly. I'm gonna change that to Nuka Death now. I'm trying to find all the medallions, so you guys could skip to. Hey! What's wrong, Dookie? What? You scared me, man. I'm just trying to get. Hey! Stay the fuck back. I was just trying to get the egg. I'm not trying to hurt you, Dookie. I will fucking shoot you though if you try to freaking have, because I know you probably have rabies. And if you try to attack me, I'll probably shoot your fucking head off. Another blue medallion. Barely hit that. 6 out of 15. Boy. need to shoot one more. There's one more somewhere. Is this one going? I'm stupid. Let me just. Here you go. Nope, it's this way. It doesn't really matter if I don't find the last one here because there's 8 at the Centenary graveyard. There you go. Oh my god, that's actually tiring. I saw people like ting, ting. Catch it. I said no because I saw spiders in here. Frick, nah, I'm not going in there. That movie a freaking arm, man. I did run out of handgun bullets at one time. You know what I did? Well, I'm sorry, man. Jeez, I feel bad, man. You're going to... Oh, frick, my headset's low. Soon, when we get to the merchant, then I might have to do a part 2. Depends how far we get. What do I have? Not valuables. What do I have on here? Oh. Holy, I have a lot of eggs for some reason. Who's in there? Oh, who's in there?
A little rough, don't you think? You're not like them?
No. You?
Okay, I have only one very important question. Do you got a smoke?
Got gum.
I got gum.
Perfect. The big cheese.
What?
Big cheese. Ah! You know I'm not doing that. Oh my god! Screeching in the background because of my lizard? Jeez. Frick. How am I? There we go. Missed 3 times in a row. Can you believe that?
Feeble humans, let us give you our power. Soon, you'll become unable to resist this intoxicating power.
Hey, wake up.
Ay. Crawl out of one hole and into another.
Yep.
You want to tell me what's going on here?
Americano, see? Now what brings a bloke like you to this part of the world? Oh, hey, easy, whoever you are.
Name's Leon. Came here looking for this girl. Seen her?
What, are you supposed to be a cop or something? Nah, you don't look the type.
Maybe.
Oh, I was a cop.
Okay, let me guess. She's the president's daughter?
That's too good for a guess. Want to start explaining?
Psychic powers. Nah, just kidding with you, amigo. I overheard one of the villagers talking something about the president's daughter in the church.
What happened to him, man? Why is he covered
And who
in
might
blood?
you be?
Me llamo Luis Serra. I used to be a cop in Madrid. But now I'm just a good-for-nothing guy who happens to be quite a ladies' man.
Why'd you quit?
Phew, policia. You put your
Cockroach
life on the
or
line.
spider?
Nobody really appreciates you enough for it. Being a hero isn't what it's cracked up to be anymore.
Used to be a cop myself. Only for a day, though.
I thought I was bad.
Somehow I managed to get myself involved with the incident in Raccoon City on my first day in the force.
That is the incident
Oh my
with the viral outbreak, right? I think I might have seen a sample of the virus in a lab at the department.
My ears hurt.
Do something, cop!
After you.
Frick off me, man. Oh my. Head.
It's Leon. Sorry I couldn't get in touch sooner, but I was a bit tied up.
You're okay, right?
I'm fine. There was a male civilian held captive. According to him, Ashley's in a church somewhere.
What happened to him?
He managed to escape.
Do you have a fix on the location of that church?
No, but apparently there's a secret passage in the village that leads there. I'm heading back to the village.
Like here, when I first played this and Leon threw the character, like that, Ganado, where is he? I ask myself that question every single day I play this. Or when I get to this part.
Over here, stranger.
Oh, here, stranger. Sure, why not? How many times has I spelled my name? Because after this, I'm gonna spell my name again. Most people just do this, but here's me, and everyone else too. Freaking kick open the damn door. What kind of gun is that? Is that the
Something that
Matilda?
might interest you.
Really?
Got a
Let's
selection
check the
of
gun.
good things on sale, stranger.
Huh. I just say the same thing.
What are you buying?
What are you buying? I don't think I'm buying anything except selling.
What are you selling?
You know, a shotgun. some
Is that all,
shotgun
stranger?
shells. No, I'm selling you like 3 eggs and also rifle ammo. And yeah, I'll say that's all, because I'm keeping these golden eggs. I mean, you can have this as well. Sure, why not? Here you go, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you selling?
Oh, I have one more thing for you.
Is
Here,
that all?
four of these?
Ah.
One of these.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you buying?
What am I tuning up? Nothing. Nope. All of you asking why did I do that? I just wasted ammo. I pretty much did, but except I only wasted 2 bullets, which is like my clip. Actually, I think I'm gonna leave it there. I think I might leave it here, actually, when I think about it. Who knows here? Let me check. Ah, yep. 100%. Well, I'm gonna see you all later. Peace out. Beep. And let's end it off with a bell click. Done.